Hi there, Loren Crawford, YogiLoren. For this week's discussion, I wanted to address the topic of teachers. Who are your teachers? Many of us in contemporary times may eschew the idea of having a teacher or a guru. We have this thing called the internet where we can simply plug in a question, a comment, and seemingly get all of our answers. But can we? I would argue it's not quite so simple. It may make sense to put our pride aside and work with teachers to learn from their mistakes, their trials and tribulations, so that we don't have to make those mistakes ourselves. It's efficient. This idea of a life where everything that we do is an opportunity to learn and grow is very much a tantric concept. So in Tantra, every experience in a lifetime is one that is that of a teacher, whether it's a person, whether it's an action, or a simple experience. Opportunities are there to grow and learn at every corner. We may think of teachers in the formal sense of the classroom, the teachers you had in your grade school, even through high school, or even university professors. Yet we can broaden the concept of teacher if we approach our lives from the place of being a student of life. Then effectively everything in our lives become the opportunity for us to learn and grow. Every experience is a teacher. People will come into your life, experiences will happen, and with reflection, we learn, we grow, we expand. With certain people, we will be triggered, and we can reflect on how that triggering occurs. Other people will bring out a great degree of compassion in us. Others may make our hearts melt, yet others may make us cold as ice. So it's important that we have the capacity to be reflective, to be in that place of observer, to learn from those interactions and those experiences, to experience those emotions and yet not be attached to any of those outcomes. I recently had a friend come back into my life after several years of not seeing each other. And this was interesting because I kind of wondered, what is this about? Why is this person reappearing in my life? My initial feelings were that this person entered my life to open my heart and to create an opportunity in one aspect. And yet, months later, now that I've had time to reflect on this, I realized it was quite a different teaching that was being presented, and that we were in fact playing a mutual role in awakening parts of ourselves that needed to be awakened. And this is beautiful. So this idea of teachers popping into your lives and sharing things, and you sharing with them, is really a wonderful way to approach the idea, the notion of teacher. Learning from whomever shows up. The yoga tradition is one of Guru Parampara, and that's a teacher-to-student transmission of these teachings. In the old days, the yoga student would actually live in the home, the domicile of the guru, and spend 24/7 with that particular guru. So there would be the formal aspect of their training, their teaching, but there'd also be the daily duties, the immersion into that way of living, and almost like taking on the whole role and teachings from a place of osmosis, just being there. Much is lost in the current context of physical yoga practice and instructors in a classroom. We can actually find teachers who have the capacity to help us understand yoga in a much broader and holistic way, so that it becomes more than a practice and becomes a journey, a lifestyle, and an opportunity for deep and profound growth. In the student-teacher relationship, the student is awakened to the teachings, and the guru, the teacher, sees in the student a spark, a light that perhaps the student isn't quite alert to yet. And the teacher will provide teachings, practices, techniques, and disciplines that will help the student to step into that brilliant shining, that radiant splendor that is ultimately their birthright. The goal ultimately, though, is to awaken within the student the Adi Guru, the teacher within. When this teacher within is thriving and is fully awake, then there's no need for an external teacher any longer. The individual is fully realized. There is freedom. There is fulfillment. And there is a joyful life. Who are your teachers?